Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and going straight to the Review tab. Click a comment in the margin or open the comments pane so you can work precisely. This avoids accidentally editing the main text. Once a comment is selected, you'll see delete options appear. Make sure to inspect the author and timestamp before removing, because you might need to keep a note. This first step establishes control, so you only remove the comments you intend to remove and preserve any necessary change history. Now remove the comment or comments. Right-click a single comment and choose Delete, which removes that note only. This is ideal when you need to preserve others. If you want to wipe all feedback, go to Review, choose Delete, then choose Delete all comments in document. This clears everything in one step. Alternatively, open the comments pane, select a comment and press Delete for faster repetition. Make sure to save a copy before mass deletion, in case you need to restore context or audit changes later. Finish by saving and verifying that all comments are gone. After deletion, scan the comments pane and switch to print layout to confirm nothing remains in margins. This helps catch threaded or collapsed notes. If you use Delete All, make sure track changes won't recreate inline notes. Turn it off if not needed. If comments still appear, close and reopen Word, check for document protection or multiple authors, and restore from your copy if removal was accidental. This final check prevents surprises.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.